Welcome back to TechSphere, your one-stop channel for everything tech. We're thrilled you're here as today. We're about to embark on an exciting journey through the world of technology, and at the center of our narrative is none other than Mistral. This tech giant has been making waves in the industry, and their recent rise to a staggering $5 billion valuation has everyone talking. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready to dive into the fascinating story of Mistral's ascent, their innovations, and the future of technology as we know it. Let's get started. In a remarkable turn of events, Mistral, the tech giant we've all come to know, has recently reached a jaw-dropping valuation of $5 billion. This milestone didn't happen overnight, of course. It's the result of relentless innovation, strategic investments, and a clear vision for the future of technology. This valuation is more than just a number. It's a testament to Mistral's undeniable impact on the tech industry and its potential to drive significant advancements in the years to come. The tech industry has also been buzzing about the Stable Diffusion API. This innovative application programming interface promises to revolutionize how we interact with technology. It's designed to streamline the process of integrating complex tech systems, making it easier for developers to create more advanced, efficient, and user-friendly applications. It's a game changer, and it's poised to reshape the landscape of software development. Let's not forget the Stable Audio Paper. This fascinating piece of technology is making waves for its ability to transform written content into high-quality audio. Imagine being able to listen to your favorite books, articles, or reports, all with the simple push of a button. The Stable Audio Paper is not just about convenience, though. It's about accessibility, opening up a world of content to those who might otherwise struggle to access it. As we journey through the advancements in technology, it's crucial to reflect on the societal implications these innovations bring. The rise of tech giants and the introduction of groundbreaking technologies like the Stable Diffusion API and the Stable Audio Paper are not just reshaping industries. They are also transforming the way we live, work, and interact. The Stable Audio Paper, for instance, is not just a convenient tool. It's a beacon of hope for individuals with learning differences and visual impairment, enabling them to access information in a more digestible format. Similarly, the Stable Diffusion API has the potential to revolutionize the way businesses operate, fostering innovation and efficiency in software development. These technologies are creating a more inclusive, efficient, and connected world. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we marvel at these technological wonders, we should also be mindful of the ethical considerations they raise, such as data privacy and digital divide. So, as we look forward to the future of technology, let's not forget to ponder on its impact on our society. After all, technology is not just about gadgets and codes, it's about people and how it can improve their lives. To sum it up, it's been an exciting time in the tech industry. Mistral's $5 billion valuation has underscored its dominant position in the market. The Stable Diffusion API has introduced a new level of efficiency and flexibility in software development, and the Stable Audio Paper has broadened the horizons of content accessibility. These advancements are not just changing the game, they're setting the stage for the future of technology.